In this video, I will give you 100 common and very useful sentences that you can use in conversation. When you hear a sentence, practice saying it after me. Try to copy my pronunciation exactly, including the tone of voice that I use. Alright, let's begin. Basic greetings. How's it going? How are things? What's up? Nice to meet you. Long time no see. How have you been? Great, thanks. How about you? Not much. The usual. I've got to get going. It was a pleasure meeting you. See you later. Stay in touch. Asking for information. Could you tell me what this word means? Would you happen to know where the library is? Hesitating. That's a good question. Let me see. Let me think for a moment. Asking for repetition. Excuse me? Sorry, I didn't catch that. Would you mind repeating that? Can you speak a little more slowly, please? Saying I don't know. I'm afraid I have no idea. Can't help you there, sorry. Beats me. Opinions. What do you think about that? What are your views on this? I think that's a good idea. I honestly don't think it's going to work. As far as I'm concerned, this is the best restaurant in town. Avoiding a question. I don't have an opinion on the matter. Let me get back to you on that. I'm not at liberty to say. Agreeing and disagreeing. I couldn't agree more. You're absolutely right. I agree with you 100%. You hit the nail on the head. I'm not sure I agree. I'm afraid I disagree. I think you're mistaken. Interrupting politely. Sorry to interrupt you. Can I stop you there for a moment? Do you mind if I jump in here? Go ahead. Sure, go on. Let me finish. Hold on for a moment. Suggestions. What do you say we go to the movies? How about having pizza for dinner tonight? That would be great. Sounds good to me. I'm not sure about that. No, I don't think so. Making plans. What are you doing tonight? Got any plans for tomorrow? Are you free next Saturday? Do you want to do something this weekend? Sure, what do you have in mind? I'm free all weekend. Let's do something. No, sorry, I've already made some plans. I'm kind of busy tomorrow. I'd love to do something, but I can't. Permission. Do you mind if I use your cell phone? Would it be okay if I took the day off tomorrow? Yes, please do. Sure, go ahead. No, not at all. Unfortunately, I have to say no. I'd rather you didn't. I'm afraid I do. Making requests. Could you pass me the salt, please? Would you mind lending me some money? I was wondering if you could help me with this. Sure, no problem. Yeah, of course. I'd be glad to help. Sorry, I can't right now. I'm afraid I can't. Making offers. Can I get you a glass of water? How about some ice cream? Would you like me to give you a ride home? Yes, please. That would be great, thanks. I'm okay, but thanks for offering. No, I'm good, thanks. Thanking people. Thanks a million. Cheers. I really appreciate it. That's very kind of you. I can't thank you enough. It's nothing. Don't mention it. Anytime. My pleasure. Asking someone to wait. Can you hold on a moment, please? Hang on 1 second. Bear with me just a moment. I'll be right with you. Apologizing. I'm really sorry about that. Please accept my apologies. Don't worry about it. No worries. Alright, if you want more lessons on common sentences and phrases, let me know in the comments section below. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up by hitting the like button. And remember to subscribe to this channel by clicking the subscribe button to get my latest lessons right here on YouTube.